AI has been a buzzword for the last year, and recent research indicates that the most in-demand skills include ChatGPT, AI content creation, and AI chatbots. Whether it's ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Microsoft Bing AI, they all fall under the category of AI chatbot. Chances are you've integrated these chatbots into your daily routine. Now, you might be curious, how do these AI chatbots actually work? If that question has crossed your mind, we've got you covered. Let me break it down for you into 3 levels of difficulty, teaching 6 key terms. Stick around until the end to ensure you don't miss valuable insights. Let's dive in. Level 1, Beginner. Imagine having a friend who knows everything about everything. It's like having a clever companion using smart tricks to understand and respond. Think of it as texting with a robot buddy on your phone. You ask a question and you receive an answer. It's as simple as that. The intriguing part: how your robot buddy replies in a way that feels like your own style. That's where things get interesting. All these AI chatbots are called by that name, as the name suggests they work using AI, artificial intelligence. This means it's like a computer brain that can learn and think like a human brain. Trained on a vast amount of information on the internet, it knows a lot about various topics. Level 2, Intermediate. Now, if we go one level deeper, AI chatbots use something called natural language processing, NLP. This technology helps them understand human language. It breaks down your question into small parts and analyzes each part to understand the meaning of the question. It then uses this understanding to search through a massive amount of information that it has learned. But how do these AI chatbots know which answer is the best one or have learned so much from the internet in the first place? Well, that's where something called machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a type of AI that enables these AI software to learn and improve over time. Every time an AI chatbot answers a question, it checks to see if its answer was correct. If it was, great. If not, it learns from its mistakes and uses this knowledge to provide better answers in the future. Users or the AI platform itself typically give feedback on the correctness of the answers, either by explicitly indicating if the response was helpful or by the platform comparing the chatbot's answer to known accurate information. This feedback loop guides the chatbot's continuous learning process. Level 3, Advanced. From a more technical standpoint, AI chatbots leverage deep learning, a subset of machine learning, to achieve sophistication in pattern recognition and contextual understanding. Deep learning utilizes artificial neural networks to simulate the functioning of the human brain. These neural networks consist of layers of nodes working collaboratively to process and analyze data. Each layer handles the data uniquely, and the output from one layer feeds into the next. This iterative process persists until the chatbot has processed and analyzed all the necessary data to answer your question. In addition to that, another crucial concept used by many of today's chatbots is the transformer. The transformer is a type of neural network designed to process sequential data, such as language. A key innovation of the transformer is its attention mechanism, allowing it to focus on different parts of the input data during processing. This attention to detail imitates the way humans prioritize information, granting the AI chatbot an enhanced ability to grasp context and generate responses that align more closely with user expectations. Moreover, fine-tuning is another essential practice in the realm of AI chatbots. It involves taking a pre-trained model, such as the transformer, and training it on a specific task, like question answering. Through fine-tuning the model on a specific task, chatbots can learn to generate more accurate and helpful responses. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you've learned something new about this new piece of technology that's improving our lives day by day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch my next video, which I will place here on the screen, where we cover 3 AI threats that you should be aware of, as AI is not all Wonderland. I am sure you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe to Mental Snack for more informative videos, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for joining, and catch you in the next one.